Hi YouTube, I'm Mariah and I'm doing an alphabet for you guys. So yeah, for my upper face of the body, my earrings are just these diamond studs. I forgot what I got them from, and a regular diamond circular and 231 on both ears. For my lips, I have this MAC. I got it today. This MAC lipstick. It looks glossy on the iPad, but on in person it's pink. My eyes, I have this mascara on, but you can't really see it. I have short eyelashes. You can't really see it though. Yeah. For my nails, it's a weird design. Really weird design. I don't know what design, but I was bored. Don't ask. Anyways, for my hair, I did a French twist type thing. It's better in person than it does on camera. So yeah, don't ask any questions about that. And for my bun, I did a top knot bun. I was bored, I did that. Yeah. And for my shirt, it's a dark blue Hollister shirt, size medium. It says Hollister, small words, a bird, a girl, a cartoonish girl, blonde hair, pink flower in her hair, she's holding a surfboard. Yeah. For my pants, rather short, I have these khaki from Target, and the back has buttons on them. And yeah, for my shoes, I have my shoes on. I had my Toms on. I got them today. And yeah. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.